Hello fooders, welcome back to my page, to my channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to make this FANKASAU recipe. This is mostly paired with me and taushe. I have already posted a recipe for me and taushe below, so happy watching. In my bowl, I'm going to add this instant FANKASAU mix, but if you're not using the instant mix, you can just use flour, salt, yeast, and of course kanwa, that is potash kaɗan, sai ruwan tsamiya kaɗan. So you're going to stir that very well until it forms a dough. Not really batter, but and it shouldn't be too thick as a dough, just as you can see in the video. So after that, I'm going to cover this and allow it to rise for, I don't know, maybe 30 minutes or so until it's double in size. Yeah. So this is the instant mix. I use this from AA of this special garin panka. So as you can see, you can actually order online. So to fry this, you're going to fry this in sizzling hot oil like you fry your puff puff. Get a small amount, spread that using your fingers, and then drop it into the hot oil, and you're good to go. So you're going to keep placing this pankaso in the oil until you achieve the desired color you want. And basically, this is how you make pankaso. Once it's done, you're going to remove it from the oil and allow the oil to drain, and you're good to go. You can either enjoy pankaso with me and toshi, like I've said earlier, or you can enjoy pankaso with normal granulated white sugar. Other use preferred powdered sugar, but anyone you want, you can actually use that. And of course, you can also use normal Nigerian stew to enjoy pankaso with it. So, guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do that. And for those of you saying I cannot see recipes and all, sometimes I forgot I even have a YouTube channel, honestly. So follow me on Instagram, where I'm most active for the full details on everything I post. And always check the description box for more details. All right, thank you guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.